Well, the F-16, this is, I don't know, third or fourth flight. We're still experimenting with speed controllers and motors, so.
There you go.
So far, it looks really good. Flying nice. Just hope it holds up. It's a beautiful plane.
I'm going to go up even higher, I think.
Sure. Comfortable?
Not too bad.
Uh-oh. The hell is that?
I think the fan exploded. Trying to do something.
Yeah, I got that. I don't know what that was all about. Well, over and out. We got to go look for a plane. I don't know. She went poofed apart.